Dear students, as we said, the slopey areas of mountains are difficult to make roads or some other things or houses and such on. So what we will do it, transportation is very difficult. So we are using, the mountain people are using available things to make houses like wood, then stones to make homes. Then most of the roads are narrow and steep and winding. Then according to climatic condition, what will happen, the snowfall may take place on mountain places, because we know mountain places are cold and it may get blocked. Then the towns and cities in mountains are generally not very large. Most people are farmers, while some work power plants that generate hydroelectricity. The people, those who are living, they are not very efficient ones. Some are working in what type farms and all, different type of things. I mean, like tea, then some cotton and such kinds of things are produced slopey areas. They work there, and not only that, some of the people are working where in hydroelectric plant, because as we know, the water flows very fastly through slopey areas. There they will make dams and collect water, and slowly they will release it, and that will produce or generate electricity. And then again, the mountains that are rich in minerals, second fact, the mountain areas that are very rich in minerals and all, so what will do it, the mines are there, so people have another opportunity to work in mines too. And next step, we can say, so there are tourists are coming to visit the mountain places, usually for the changes of climate and variety plants, trees and animals they can find there. This is a very enjoying able movement when we are visiting mountain places. So tourists are being attracted to these places, and people can arrange transport for the tourist, or adventure activities for the tourist, or hotels for the tourist, or selling handicrafts and such all things. Like that also, one more opportunity as well left for the people, those who are living in mountain areas. And life in plains. Now let us see another one. In plains, life is easier than mountain. It is not usually as cold as in the mountain. So the climate in plain areas are good or better if we are comparing with the mountain places. So people are being attracted to plain area. That is climate is one reason. And another reason we can see, these plain areas good for cultivation, and there they have a fertile soil. So whatever we plant, that will produce good yield. This also is the second reason for what, to attract the people for living there. Another, to building the houses, that different types of houses we can find there. Transportation is good, and easy transportation we can find, either it is a water transport, road transport, or air transport. All the things are available in plain areas. So people likes to live more in a plain area. Okay. Then roads and railways can be built easily on level land, and it is easy to travel and transport goods. Then that is why the industries, most of the industries are being located near the plain areas because of transportation. So people may get good jobs in where industries, and good chance to work in that, or offices, shops. So the people can find a variety of jobs in a plain area. Most people lives in a plains, so there are many villages and towns and cities. There are different kinds of houses, small houses in village area. We can find a big houses like flat, several storied buildings we can find in town areas. Then many people in the village are farmers, while the town and the cities work in factories, offices, shops and so on. This is what the second lesson we have completed. So students, please learn points to remember and read the lesson well, and next period I will publish the question answers. So have a nice day, take care, thank you.